If you're always broke, struggling, or stuck at the same financial level year after year, it might not be bad luck. It might be how you think. Most people aren't taught how to think about money. Instead, we absorb limiting beliefs from school, media, and even our parents. These beliefs shape every decision we make, and they're often dead wrong. Today, we're uncovering 5 toxic mindsets keeping people poor, and how to flip them for good. 1. I need to work hard for money. Hard work is important, but trading time for money forever is a trap. Wealthy people work smart, they build systems, assets, and value. 2. Rich people are greedy or lucky. Thinking the rich are just greedy gives you permission to stay broke. The truth? Most build wealth by solving problems and creating value. 3. I'm just not good with money. This mindset kills progress. Managing money is a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned, improved, and mastered. 4. I'll start saving when I earn more. Income doesn't solve poor habits. If you can't manage $100, you won't manage $10,000. 5. Money is the root of all evil. Money is a tool. It amplifies who you are. Use it wisely, and it can change lives, including yours. Wealth starts in the mind. Replace these toxic beliefs with empowering ones, and your actions will follow. Which belief are you letting go of today? Comment below. Subscribe for more practical money and mindset habits, right here on Habit of Riches.